Okay, this is gonna be a cold start video, but first I wanted to show you this thing has been sitting here 6 days ago. It was started up 6-7 miles away, and I moved it over here, driving it on the Capitol Beltway, so it definitely got heated up. And it's been sitting here, and there is maybe one drop, barely see it over there. I'm not sure if I can see it with this. Let's see. Yeah, right over there, maybe one drop. It could even be from oh no, there it is. Could even be from another car that was here before, but you can see it's, if anything, there's that one drop right there. Has been sitting here for 6 days and was parked hot. Everything else under here is just, it's dusty. But there's that one drop right over there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do a cold start and show you that it's ice cold, completely ice cold. And dark in here. There we go. Fire right up. No smoke of any kind. Sounds great. And actually gonna go ahead and pull it up just a little ways. If there's anything, that's it.